Back in 1989, Games Workshop released HeroQuest, which was basically a board game version of Dungeons and Dragons. Now, at the time, I was deeply into D&D, and I must admit I turned my nose up at the idea of a board game version. Fast forward to today, and I'm hankering for a bit of dungeon crawling action, but I don't have a D&D group. I'm hoping the new edition of HeroQuest will be the answer. Let's open the box and find out. I'm so excited about this. The quest continues. 4 characters, wizard, elf, dwarf, barbarian, and I know you can get more in the expansions. 70 miniatures, that's going to keep me busy. I don't think I'm going to paint any of these before I play the game. I'm not going to make the mistake I made with Space Hulk, and I bought it 10 years ago and I still haven't played it because I'm still painting the figures. I'm diving right into this one. Oh, nice. What's in here? Figures. Minis. Oh, this guy's cool. Do you know? I didn't know what to expect, but these are good. They're yeah, a bit more bendy than a Warhammer figure, but good sculpt. There are some excellent guys. Oh, here are the adventurers. 4 adventurers. We got dice, we got baddies, we got many skeletons, and mummies. Great. Oh, and goblins, little goblin dudes. Excellent. And orcs. Nice. And we have, oh, the Dungeon Master screen. I've seen this in my research videos. I want a book, the quest book, oh, which opens that way. Ah, there's the rule book. It's supposed to be very simple to play. I'm looking forward to finding out. Tokens, all very easy to remove. Be careful. Dungeon Master screen, quite little. And this must be the game board. I won't open it all out. Oh, many character sheets. Unlikely to ever get through those. Cards. Quest. Oh, mate, all these are nicely printed. Equipment, that's what we like. Spells. Treasure. Oh. And what are these? Sure, I'll find out. And then we have many doors, open, closed, a bookcase, a chest of drawers, another bookcase, some treasure chests, fireplace, that'll be fun to paint. What's this? An altar, a sarcophagus, oh, and it opens. These are nice and solid. These skulls. Just because. Rats, I'm going to get them out. An alchemist's bench. Weapon rack. 2 tables. Nice throne. Or just a comfy armchair. Rack for stretching dwarves, and an altar. Looks good. Looking forward to having a game. I'll let you know how it goes. I know I didn't spend very long looking at the player and monster minis this time, but if you want a closer look at them, you can watch the video that's on the screen right now, where you can see me putting them all back in the tray after dropping them on the floor. Thanks for watching.